Welcome to Life Skills for Kids. This is the podcast where you'll learn super important skills that schools don't always teach, like how to stay safe on the road, how money works, how to handle big emotions, and even how to cook simple meals or use the internet wisely. Every episode will explore real-life lessons in a fun and easy way, so you can be ready for anything. Want to get exclusive episodes, bonus activities, and early access? Join us on Patreon and support the show. Just click the link in the description. Now, get ready. Today's lesson is about to begin.
Fire safety for kids. How to stay safe in case of a fire. Announcement. Fires can be dangerous, but knowing what to do can save lives. In this lesson, we'll learn how to prevent fires, what to do if one starts, how to use a fire extinguisher, and how to get out safely if there's an emergency. Let's get started. Fire truck fire. 1 fire safety rules at home. Never play with matches, lighters, or candles. Fire can spread quickly, and even a small flame can turn into a big fire. Be careful around electrical outlets and appliances. If you see a frayed cord or something sparking, tell an adult immediately. Stay away from the stove when an adult is cooking. Never touch pots, pans, or hot surfaces. Blow out candles before leaving a room. Candles should only be used when an adult is present. Know 2 ways out of every room. If a fire starts, you might not be able to leave through the door. Always have a second escape plan. Fire drill activity. Ask your family to practice a fire drill and find 2 ways out of every room in your home. 2. What to do if there's a fire. Stay calm and act fast. Fire spreads quickly, so it's important to react immediately. Stay low to avoid smoke. If there's a lot of smoke, crawl on the floor to breathe cleaner air. Feel the door before opening it. Use the back of your hand to check if a door is hot. If it's hot, do not open it. Try another way out. Do not hide. Never hide under beds and closets or behind furniture. Firefighters need to find you easily. Get out and stay out. If there's a fire, leave the house immediately and never go back inside. Call 911 once you're safe. If you can, call for help from outside. Fire escape plan activity. Draw a map of your home and mark 2 escape routes for every room. 3. How to use a fire extinguisher. Not all fires can be put out with an extinguisher, but if an adult says it's safe, follow the pass method. Pull the pin. This unlocks the extinguisher. Aim low at the base of the fire, not the flames. Squeeze the handle to release the spray. Sweep side to side until the fire is out. Practice activity. If you have a fire extinguisher at home, ask an adult to show you how it works, without spraying. 4. Where to go after escaping a fire. Have a safe meeting spot outside. This could be a mailbox, tree, or neighbor's house. Wait for firefighters to arrive. Tell them if anyone is still inside. Never go back inside for pets, toys, or anything else. Firefighters will handle it safely. Family fire plan activity. Talk to your family about where your meeting spot will be. Fire safety quiz. Are you ready? What should you do if you see smoke in a room? How do you check if the door is safe to open? What does PASS stand for when using a fire extinguisher? Why should you never hide during a fire? Where should you go after escaping a fire? Tip for parents. Practice a fire drill at least twice a year and make sure kids know how to react in case of an emergency. Conclusion. You did it. Now you know how to prevent fires, escape safely, and use a fire extinguisher. Fires can be scary, but when you stay calm, act fast, and follow safety rules, you can protect yourself and your family. Want to learn more life skills? Check out our full collection at www.365forkids.com. Stay safe, stay smart, and see you in the next lesson. Fire truck light bulb.
Great job learning with us today. Every new skill you learn makes you smarter, stronger, and more prepared for life. Keep exploring, asking questions, and practicing what you've learned. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe and support us on Patreon for exclusive content, fun activities, and early access to new episodes. Find the link in the description. And don't stop here. Visit www.3654kids.com for more awesome books, resources, and learning adventures. See you next time on Life Skills for Kids.